All right, just got the Nightcat pop-up foldable tent, and we're going to take a look at it. It has these little straps on the back that you can loosen them or you can make them tighter. I think that's kind of like like a backpack type situation there, and you could probably wear it on your back. It's got these handy handles here. Let's go ahead and unzip it, and we'll take a look inside and pull it out. And there it is. That's the tent itself. It's got a little band on it. And this right here is the little case, and it says Nightcat on it. I'm just going to lay it out here for you guys to look at. And yeah, let's go ahead and give it a shot and check it out and see what we think. All right, it does come with some accessories in this little pouch. If you open it up, you're going to see it has some stakes or spikes and some line. So apparently you can tie the tent down with these lines, and you can also stake it or use these to hold the tent into the ground. So we're going to give that a try and see what we think. These are the directions. You might want to read them. So we'll take a look at those too. All right, according to the directions, so it doesn't smack you in the face, you're supposed to hold on to the outside of it when you take this strap off. And somehow it comes off here. Let's see if we can figure this out. I think, yep. All right, we just pull it right off and hang on to the sides of this when you're doing it. All right, and you can see it's connected. The little strap is right there, and when you let go of it, it just kind of pops open, and I have to kind of grab it and pull it. It takes about 2 or 3 seconds to get her all opened up, but look, bam, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Check it out. So I gotta say, that worked pretty good, didn't it? Now, I guess we could tie it down with those stakes and kind of lock it into the ground, so we'll give that a shot. If you look on the very corners, there's these little tabs. I'm going to grab one. You see it right there? I'm going to slide the stake through it and then just basically smush it into the ground, just like that. And yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm going to go to the back. There's 4 of these on the 4 kind of like the corners. And that kind of holds it down. Let me show you. Oh, look, this one came off already. All right, so I guess you've got to, when you put these in here, so you want to get it in like that, right? And then I'm just going to twist it like this and then push it down. See if I can get it just like that. That pretty much holds it in there. I think that worked good. Let's get another one. We'll go do 2 more. There's one on this side. So I'm going to get inside, twist it around a little bit, just to make it, and then push it down in the ground. So now we're looking pretty good. Got to do 1 more over here. That one popped. All right, so the key is you got to get it so it doesn't come off of this little pole. So I'm just wrapping it like that. I don't know if it says to do that in the, whoops. I don't know if it says to do that in there. But I think if you do this, then when you put it in the ground, then you're going to come out. It follows me? I can get it to go on the ground. There we go. There we go. And this one here came undone. So it easily slips off. So you got to make sure that you've got the this part facing away, which I will do now. This time I just put it in easy. Easy peasy. All right, so that kind of holds it down, right? I mean, if you didn't have a lot of wind, I don't know if you really need these, but these here, what you would do is you would tie them off on here and then just put them in the ground. And you could do that. And here's the flap. Check it out. And bam, there you are. You just can go inside there. Let's go ahead and go. I'm taking my shoes off. And I'm going to get inside. Here I am. I'm inside in my tent. Look at me. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Well, yeah, it's definitely big enough for a whole person. And so if you want to roll this up, you can zip it up like that. Or if you want it, so you can see outside when the bears are coming, you do that. And you got one on each side, right? Just like that. And then to open it, bam, there you are. And then when you're ready to close up for the night, because you don't want to get eaten by mosquitoes, right? There you go. Bam, done. And now I'm in here. I'm safe, no mosquitoes. I want to close my flap. I could do that too. I could get my flap over, and then nobody can see inside. They won't be able to see what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like inside. It's pretty nice. Taking a nap. You can see it's got lots of room. I got my head down here at this end, right? And then if you look down here, you're going to see that, yeah, no problem. No problemo. So, yeah, this is a pretty good little thing, man. It opened up really quick. Now the question is, will I be able to fold this thing up? That's the question. I may have to look at the directions. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. And look outside. Boop. Here, I'll give you, and then this is the other side of it. This is where you'd keep your head. But yeah, and then your body weight also will keep this thing down. You know what I mean? So you can just relax inside here and just take a nap, which is not a bad idea. If you look up here, you got a little thing you can hang a little light from, you know, if you needed a light. Yeah, that's it. All right, so now to get out, just unzip this, and bam, we're ready to go. Flip that up. Yep. And yeah, we're out. We're out of our tent. Oh yeah, I left the thing in there, look. I brought that with me. I gotta get that out of there. Right now the question is, can I fold this up, and how quickly can I do it? It looks like you just kind of smush it all together, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so also if you were leaving and you just wanted to keep it all closed up, you could do this. You follow me? They've got these little zippers on the outside here. You just pull it down like that. I think there's a little Velcro thing that would go there, and one that would go here, and that would keep the rain out. And you can do that from the inside also. And if you're leaving, you could throw a couple spikes in there until you get back. Like, let's say you're going to go on a hike, but you're going to want to leave your tent up. There you go, right? Just put that in there. It holds that down. Do the other one over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so to break her down, first I want to get all these. This one pulled out. This one pulled out too. Pull these out. Yeah. Get all these out of here. Okay, we got all those. We'll set those in. All right, in life, you got three types of problems. You got obstacles, entanglements, and puzzles. And this is a puzzle. All right, you're going to twist the one side like a figure 8. So I'm twisting it, and then I'm grabbing it right there. It kind of flops under. Then we're going to set it down on the ground and smush all the air out of it, like that. And then we've got to do another twist after we get it all flattened out. So now you're going to grab the one side, we're going to flip it over. Now we're looking at the gray side. You're going to put one knee on it, you're going to grab it and twist it like that all the way around, and there it is. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you got it compact into a nice itsy bitsy small thing. You're going to pull that little strap around it to keep it from exploding into your face. And then we just got to put it in the bag. And Bob will be your schmunkle. Yep, ready to go. I think I figured it out. What do you guys think? All right, so I'm going to put all of this back in here. All of these back in here so we don't lose them. We may need them on our camping trip. Oh, that's hot. That in there. Bam. Now we just got to put our thing back in here. That took a while, didn't it? But I think we got it. There we go. Let's see if we can get it fit back in here. Oh, don't forget, keep this. And you might want to keep the directions. You follow me? You might want to keep these. We'll all need them next time. All right, that's it. Where I try to do stuff for the first time. Peace out. All right, don't feel bad if you're having a hard time folding this thing. I did too on my first try. This is 4,000 times sped up. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on tents. Peace out.